All right, here's an update on the house. Tomorrow we are pouring the concrete for the house foundation. This construction is a stem wall footer. So there's a 4-block wall around the perimeter with a 12 by 24 inch concrete footer beneath it with rebar. And here is a 2-car garage on the right side. Here's the entranceway of the house with the steps. 1-car garage on the left side. And as we go up into here, you can see the wire mesh everywhere on top of the stands. There's the stub up for the plumbing. The big one is for the toilet. The one that's a little taller, the vanity, and then the one inside of each of those boxes are for the shower pan. So the shower pan ends up being a couple inches lower than the slab of the deck, and at time of tile installation they can put the proper slopes in. Here you have the footers going down for load-bearing walls. There's another load-bearing wall there. It's the master bathroom. You can see the toilet, vanity plumbing, bathtub, a large shower, and then the back there's an outdoor bathroom. Right here, this is the hardened edge, the thickened edge along where all the sliding glass. This is the back of the house where you see all the rebar coming up. And on the outside there, you can see the rebar. This is the slab for the lanai, which is the area where the roof overhangs, but it's not considered air conditioned. And you can see all the different columns coming up across the back there. Lanai. This is between the living room and the master bedroom, a load-bearing wall with a column footing here on the end. You can see the rebar. In the middle of the house, you can see again, these are load-bearing columns. There's a very big load-bearing column here, which I believe this is the one that is going to actually be the one steel beam that I have, steel column beam. The rest of them are wood. And then a load-bearing wall over here along the dining room with 3 different column footings. Here you have the kitchen on the right side, and then you have the island. So you've got the electrical plumbing sticking up there with the blue and red PEX and the drain. 3 more bedrooms over here. You can see the shower pan boxed out. 1, 2, 3, and then back in this corner is a bonus family room / theater for the house. You can see all the lanai. In the backyard, we're starting to prep the dirt. The pool is going to start soon. We have to add more dirt because we're about a 5-foot drop down, and we're adding dirt so when we dig the pool there won't be voids. So this dirt's going to get slowly pushed out. It's going to be a pool, and then just before the 2 pine trees, we're going to have a pickleball court. We're going to have a gazebo over there in that corner that has not started. And down the side of the house, you can see I've come up quite a bit higher than the other homes around here. I think the other homes are approximately 16 feet above elevation above sea level, and on our house we're nearly 19. And then here's the side yard. It's probably hard to see, but it's probably about a 5-foot or so drop off down to the edge. So this is how the house is progressing, and I want to take a video just documenting where we're at for myself. If there's any issues, I have a video of everything. Elevation drop down. The garage is negative 21 inches from the house, and there's a 2-inch slope going from the back of the garage to the front of the garage so it can be hosed off. Here in beautiful Parkland, about just shy of 1.1 acres that we're building on. Here's my privacy construction fence across the front.